Section 1. Use of the generator. You need to fill up with No-92 petrol before use. The refueling port is above the generator. The oil quantity is marked on the right side. Turn the oil filler port to the left and remove the dipstick. Then fill up with air through the fill port. Note the scale. Turn the fuel switch to open. Turn off the AC circuit breaker. Turn the damper switch to the off position. For electric start, press the switch button to the start position and hold until the engine starts. When the engine is running smoothly, turn the damper switch to the open position. At this point, the machine is started. The starter is started by closing the air damper. Press the switch button to the on position. Then pull the starter. When the engine is running smoothly, again the damper switch needs to be turned to the open position. At this point, the machine is started. Connector on the left side of the panel. The connector on the left side of the panel allows you to connect the charger 10-amp harness. The right-hand connector can be connected to the charger's 50-amp harness. If you use the 50-amp connector on the right-hand side, after the harness has been connected, turn on the AC circuit breaker. Second section. Using the charger. First, remove the main body of the charger and the harness. The left harness is a 10-amp harness. The right side is the 50-amp harness. Take the 10-amp harness as an example. Insert the aerial plug. Insert the aerial plug into the charger body in a dummy-proof direction, securely fastened. Power up the charger. Do not turn the charger on at this time. Plug the charger output cable into the battery once the power is connected. Pay attention to the positioning of the posts. Finally, press briefly to turn on the charger. The charger panel is shown in the picture. This is the power button. You can switch on off the charger. Here is the USB upgrade port. This is the charger power adjustment button. And in the display panel you can observe the power, the voltage of the battery cell, charging channels and their status. Section 3. Generator use precautions. Section 4. Precautions for use of the charger.